Every time I walk through Disneyland, I'm reminded of the power of imagination. Walt Disney didn't build his empire because everything came easy for him. He faced major setbacks. His first business went bankrupt. He lost characters he created, and many people told him his dreams were unrealistic. However, he kept going. He turned obstacles into opportunities, and those struggles fueled his vision for something greater. That story feels so closely related to my journey, my children's journey, and the journey of many of our students we work with who have dyslexia, dysgraphia, and dyscalculia. In school, they often feel misunderstood. Reading, spelling, writing, or math can be tough, and too often they hear discouraging words about what they supposedly cannot do. However, those challenges don't define them. When they discover their strengths and develop confidence through tutoring with us, they can achieve amazing things.